operations and achievement recorded by the command in crime prevention, control, and detection. Assuredly, the command will at all times rise to its responsibility of performing its mandatory and statutory duty of protection of lives and properties of the innocent citizens. In our continued determination in the fight against crimes and criminalities in the state, the command under the leadership of CP Ogundare Dare, PSC Daga, FIIPS, has clamped down on suspects in connection with different reprehensive crimes. Some of the achievements are: the first case we have is a case of impersonation and attempted murder. On the 15th of September 2023, at about 12:00 hours, the command received a distress call that one Factor Matthew was attempting to kill one Ijadale Francis and seriously assaulting and inflicting high degrees of injuries on him at Dove Filling Station, Aramoko, Ekiti. The command immediately mobilized to the scene and arrested the suspect, who had also inflicted serious injuries on one Emmanuel Boluwatife, an attendant of the filling station. Investigation revealed that the suspect is an impersonator and a serial offender who had been arrested by the command and charged to court for impersonating to be a military personnel. Upon his arrest, one baton was recovered from him, which he used to attack the victim. It is on record that such items such as camouflage uniform, boots, badges, tags, and other military accoutrements were recovered from him during his previous arrest. The next case is a case of conspiracy, armed robbery, cultism, attempted murder, arson, and kidnapping. On the 15th of September 2023, at about 09:30 hours, based on a credible tip-off that some suspected cultists, who usually rob innocent citizens of their valuables, were planning another armed robbery attack from their hideouts in Cairo-Egypt. The Command Rapid Response Squad, RRS, immediately mobilized to the scene and arrested one Adewumi Benga, aka Kwasu, Samson Gideon, Ogundare Toby, Adamolekun Lekon, Olanikpeku Daniel, aka Finest, Daramola Tope Mayowa Ojo, Alaba Abayomi, Aremo Olatunji Oladele, Adebayo Peter, and Abiodun Bosede. Upon search, one AK-47 was recovered from the suspects. Investigation revealed that the suspects partook in the attack and setting ablaze of Afao Divisional Police Headquarters, Ikere-Ekiti, during the EndSARS protest in 2020 and carted away the AK-47 rifle amongst other arms and ammunition from the station. During interrogation, the suspect confessed to be members of the Supreme Eye Confraternity Cult Group in Ikere-Ekiti. Intensified effort by the Rapid Response Squad team led to the arrest of one Ojo Alaba Omotosho Sunday and Alabi Babatunde. It was revealed that the AK-47 rifle is part of the arms used to rob one Olasunkomi Joseph of the cash sum of 3,500,000 at Irono roundabout at Do Ekiti on the 6th of April 2023, where the victim was killed on the spot. Further findings show that one of the arrested suspects, Adewumi Benga, aka Pasu, who is a drug baron and the present leader of Supreme Eye Confraternity, masterminded the kidnapping of one Falana Okpeyemi on the 11th of July 2023 in Ikere-Ekiti, whose whereabouts remains unknown till date. Effort is underway to arrest the other fleeing members of the gang and the recovery of the stolen arms and ammunition. The third case and the final case we have today is a case of cultism. On the 21st of July 2023 at about 12:30 hours, the command operatives, acting upon a credible tip-off, swooped on a gang of suspected cultists in their criminal hideouts along Iworoko, Ekiti. During the operation, one Lucky Favor and Lawal Oluwaseun were arrested, while others took to their heels. It was revealed that the two suspects arrested are members of the Supreme Eye Confraternity preparing for initiation meeting prior to their arrest. Effort is on top gear for the possible arrest of other fleeing members. As I conclude, permit me to appreciate the good treated members of the public, most especially the good people of Ekiti State, for their cooperation by giving us timely and credible information that has led to this achievement. All the suspects arrested will be arraigned accordingly. Thank you.